goddamn land and under the same circumstances as you, because we're all still slaves to the goddamn man. But we gotta fight together and try to understand how we can do that. Dr. King Jr.'s plan: darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. I would love to see a day where every black person that steps onto a stage says, hey, this is for all my brothers and sisters, whether you're black, white, or gray. I want to hear you say, I love y'all, and hear you say, we love y'all too. And after the open mic, we can all hug as a crew, and all this separation, all this bullshit can be through. Let's be colorblind like kids in preschool. We're a high five between a black and a white child. Never equal a hate crime unless it was misconstrued by you, their elders. Anger cannot be their shelter. Little girl looking scared because your racist can't help her. Wondering why you haven't held her. Well, you can tell her you were out fighting your cause, but tell her the truth. Your cause is little more than an applause and maybe some time in a booth. But what are you really doing? Reading so much black history that history missed you. Spitting words so blunt your product can rip up tissue. Well, why don't you sharpen your mind and make your tongue be a quick Jensen and come to the mic and slice nice through the right issues. Then realize that the world isn't against you, and hopefully you won't think my own words are fanciful. I'm only showing you the proper power of a damn fucking pencil. So after this venue ends, you'll say, hey Pedro, let's go home. Only this time, all of us will know what fucking home is. Thank you.